Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing how to solve linear equations, and today I'm going to show you how to solve linear equations related to distance, rate, time type of questions. Already done two questions, and this is third question. Okay, so let's start. Two campers left their campsite by canoe and paddled downstream at an average speed of 12 miles per hour. They turned around and paddled back downstream at an average rate of 4 miles per hour. The total trip took 1 hour. Okay, this is here different thing. In earlier questions, there find out time or given time, but here total time given. Okay, the total trip took 1 hour. After how much time did the campers turn around downstream? So I always say read carefully the word problems two or three times at least. Okay, and this table helps you a lot. So here you can write like in last questions we wrote person one, person two, but here we can write down stream and upstream. Okay, and here rate, times and distance. And do you know this formula? Rate multiply times equal distance. Okay, we will use this formula. So here says two campers left their campsite by canoe and paddled downstream at an average speed of 12 miles per hour. So for downstream here given rate. That's good. They turned around and paddled back upstream at an average rate of 4 miles per hour. Wow, here given upstream speed also, rate also. Okay, 4 miles per hour. Okay, here different thing is given total trip means time. So here given 1 hour total time. So for downstream we can let t. Okay, and here total minus this time. Total is 1 hour minus this time. So this is for upstream time. Okay. Now we can use this formula rate multiply times we get distance. So 12 times t, 12t, okay, and 4 times 1 minus t, okay. This is we can solve later, or you can solve here. Okay, your choice. You can use distributive property. Okay, now here when we make equation, so here both distance downstream and upstream, both distance are equal, right? So we can write like this for downstream, and this is upstream. Okay, right? If you have any confusion, please ask me. Okay, now 12t equal. Now you can use distributive property. 4 times 1 4 minus 4 times t 4t. Okay. Now both side add 4t. So 12t plus 4t 16t equal 4. Okay. Now we can find out t value. We can divide both side by 16. So 4 divided by 16 we get, we can simplify this. We can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 we get 1. 16 divided by 4 we get 4. And this is hour. Hour can we convert into uh, minutes? So do you know 1 hour means 60 minutes? Okay, So 4 times 15 is 60. So 15 minute. Okay, t value 15 minute. Okay, what was the question? After how much time did the campers turn around downstream? So downstream this time is 15 minute. Okay, you're asking for only downstream time. So this is 15 minute. And this is our answer, right? Very easy questions, just given information you can fill in the table and just make a equation according to question, and that's it. You can and here you have to good knowledge about how to solve linear equation. So very easy questions. Stay with me, I will make a few more videos. Bye, have a nice time. And please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.